Looking for a video you already watched on TikTok? Here's how to check your recently watched videos. So first you have to open up your TikTok app, and if you watched a video before and now want to find it again, go to your profile, and from your profile tap on the hamburger menu in the top right corner, then go to Activity Center. From the list, tap on the first option, Watch History, and here you will see all the videos you have watched before and you can rewatch them anytime. So you can also filter your watch history by today, last week, or last month. And if you want a specific day, tap on the date range option and select the date, tap confirm, and then you have to apply it. And here you can see it's available, and you can also search your watch history. Just type what you're looking for, and TikTok will show similar videos you just watched before. And this way you can easily find, filter, and rewatch your TikTok activity. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.